Welcome to Steady Trading MX. Let's review the trades from today. Today again I traded with 100 shirts and with 1000 ticks. Let's review my trades. So the first trade I took was this one. I saw this setup. I thought it was looking good. The moving average were also changing the direction, so I decided to go long. And I was stopped out in the next three candles. Look at this. Here is the red dotted line. So it was a small loss. Then I waited and I took another one. If I recall here, another long, I guess. Well, actually, sorry. I entered the trade here long in 173.6 around here, and I was stopped out around here, 173. Then again, I took at this trade. I thought again it was a good long. The stochastics were looking not good, but they weren't bad. So I entered long again here in 173.5. Sorry, here, and I was stopped out here in 172.8 around here. So there was my second losing trade. So then I waited. I saw this price structure. I noticed this big red candle. I saw the stochastic. I wanted to enter short, but I wasn't sure if I should take it or not, so I didn't take it. Then I saw this price structure here. I saw how this red candle broke this trend line, so I decided to enter short. That was my signal, so I decided to enter short here in this setup. I entered short in around here, 172.20, I guess, and I closed the trade here. I closed the trade here because I saw a resistance here in the daily time frame. So it was after these two or three, I guess, two losing trades, I had this one. So after this trade, I was like down $30. I waited and I saw this setup. The moving average, the 10 moving average was down in a downtrend, so stepping down. So I entered short here. It was a small trade. Look at this. I entered the trade around here at around 170.8, and I closed a trade here. So it actually went till here, but the next candle, this green candle, stopped me out in the trailing stop, so it was a small profit. Then again, I saw this setup. It was good. There was a good setup. The stochastic were also looking good here, so I entered short and I was stopped out here. Look at this. I entered short here at 170.7 is like around here, and I closed the trade here, so it was also a small loss. Then I waited and I took this. That was the last one. So then I saw this setup. The stochastic were looking good. I saw this setup as well, so I decided to enter in a long trend. I bought 100 shares of NVIDIA, and it went actually through here. But look how the price retraced, and I closed the trade around. Let me see, around here. I let the movement to develop, so I let the price to develop, so I didn't close the trade right here. Instead, I closed the trade here in this big red candle. After this candle appears, so I closed the trade here at 171 almost, so it was a small loss. Then I saw this again. I saw the stochastic. I saw this setup. Then I saw the stochastic. They were looking good, so I took another long. And look at this. The actual price went through here, but here was a resistance. So around here. Oops. So the price it couldn't go up, and I closed the trade here. Uh, these two trades, this last three trades, this short one, then these two long ones, uh, were were good, but the stock, the market actually didn't go, wasn't going nowhere. So as you can see here, in the from here to here, the market wasn't going anywhere. So we have here a consolidation period, and in this consolidation, I lost money. I didn't realize it. It was too late when I realized it. Then I took this. I took a trade here, a long one because stochastics were looking good. Uh, so I decided to go long, and immediately after I entered the trade, I was stopped out. Maybe now I'm reviewing my trade, so I think this trade, this long trade, it was a bad one. Okay. Then I saw this green candle going up. It closed above the moving average, so I decided to enter long, and it actually was a good trade. Look at this. The stochastics were also looking good, but I saw this signal, I saw this setup. I decided that maybe because it was a breakout, it could go a bit low, more higher. So I decided to stay in the trade, and it was a bad decision. Look how the price went to here. You can see here the the red dotted line. Here I closed the trade here with a loss. I could actually close it to around here at 171.50, like here, and I didn't. I let the trade run. It was a bad call. Now I can see that. So then I waited. I saw this setup. It was looking good. It was actually a winner trade, a small with small profits, because I decided to enter this trade. I thought it could work, maybe not, after seeing all these past trades. So I decided to move my stop loss in break even, and that's why in this candle I closed the trade. But if I couldn't, if I hadn't closed the trade here and let my stop and letting my and I let my stop around here at around 171.6, around here, see how this at least finally, not at least, sorry. Finally, the price began to rout. I couldn't take this trade. I took the beginning of the route, and then I couldn't enter it. So it began to finally go down, and it went down a long way. So after this trade, I was like down 200 bucks. Sorry, there were here already. I had here already taken a lot of trade, and that is not good. And then I waited till here. I saw this setup. It was good. I took this long trade. I closed the trade here because I noticed there are resistance. So I closed the trade around here at around 169.3, and I entered the trade here in this long trade at 168.8. Then I closed the trade here. I waited to the price to make a move. I saw this setup. I took another long here. Look at this. I entered here the trade at around 169.3. Right, almost right where I closed the trade, the trade before, and I decided to go long here. Here I closed the trade here because I saw another resistance. So I rather took the profits here, but it actually rallied a bit more. And that was all. I thought I had taken one more, but no, that was all for today. Actually, I today was a red day. Today is a down day, red day, 100 bucks, 111 bucks. I'm down today 111 bucks. So sometimes like that. I wasn't here very aware of what was happening. That's why I took a lot of trades. It's not good. But hey, please If you like it, please subscribe, comment, leave your comments in this video, like it, share it with your friends, dislike it if you like, share it with your friends, share it on Instagram. Follow me please on Instagram. Bye bye.